Somebody definitely went into there for testing. But if you were digging this, I tested there and there. In this picture, put in the comments below, where would you have tested? So here's a bunch of previously dug out crevices, but we're not anywhere near the beaten path. So somebody literally came in here, and you can see there's the pile of boulders. They unbouldered all of this all the way down, and there's bedrock on both sides. So like that dirt right there, that from there over's never been exposed, or it's recovered back over. And similar to right here, it's never been exposed, and it's only a foot below, not even a foot below the surface here. So we're gonna take some test pans and see if we can't score any gold in here. And if there's gold in here, we're gonna see what the potential of claiming it is. Now, this isn't a never cleaned crack. This was cleaned, but this material came back in from somewhere. And knowing what's going on with Tennessee right now, if you're down there, it's a great place to look for gold. Gold's been found in Tennessee, and I really wouldn't be surprised if there's not some gold in this material. Gold has been found in Tennessee, and it'll continue to be found in Tennessee. But even more so after a storm like that. So, my heart goes out to everyone that was affected by the storm. But if you want to know what moves gold, that moves gold. So, we're just trying to get what we can up here. I have a vacuum cleaner. With how dry this is, that would have been the answer. Bring the vacuum back. I have a little portable vacuum cleaner. Yeah, that would have been it. Because the cleaner, the gold settles on the very bottom. No matter how much you scoop, you can only get so much. So, I'm going to direct some here. That actually back a good bit. A lot further than I would have expected. And maybe it's not a little close. So we got this crack all cleaned out. Now we're going to go do a little bit more metal detecting, and then we will pan the crack at the end. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you guys a little bit. That says gold, bouncing from iron and gold, but that right there is gold. On the detector anyway. Lead and aluminum will also do that. So it is, but looks like from the way it looks here, we're at where the old timers left off. But whoever's working that hole. So let's scrape all this back. And I did find other dig holes along with my own, so I'm not the first person to another detector. There's some more milk glass. There's definitely some more milk glass. Let's see if we moved it. It'll work better if it's on. I say we moved it. Okay. said iron. So that's a small bit of iron. So we just dug up. Double check the hole. Put that new metal detector in there. So that's what we just dug. Another hunk of metal. We're gonna finish filling a pan with a couple of the crevices, and we're gonna pan that. Had a little bit from the crevice, but as you can see in there, there is two pieces of gold. So I did find gold in the place that I left off yesterday, and I just found gold. So that's good. We're gonna go ahead and probably check for another river, just because it's just 2 specks. But I'll notate that there is gold here. That concludes this prospect. We found 2 half decent sized flakes of gold that it is unclaimed. I'm not sure if it's public or private property, but there is gold, and I have reason to believe that there is better gold on some uncleaned bedrock. There's a lot of bedrock back there, and some of it's exposed, but from my beginner eye, it doesn't appear as if it's all been exposed. It doesn't look like it was ever heavily worked. It's very smallly worked, and whoever did it all by hand. Get a backhoe in there to speed up the process and expose bedrock. You would do quite a bit better. So yeah, just something to notate. There is possible gold here. So that is the first place I think that might be claimable that I found gold. So we're gonna go on to the next one. Check out this video over wherever, and if not, it'll be the next video after this. So we're gonna go on to another creek, which we've found gold before. So we're just trying to find different access to maybe better gold. Alright guys, we'll see you on that one. Peace.